Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Today we're working on a 2006 Chevy Silverado V6 4.3. And today we have a code for p0449 evap emission system vent control circuit intermittent. Okay, so what that means is that this is the vent control solenoid, and this is located in the back, in the rear of the gas tank. That goes to the canister, charcoal canister. It's fairly easy to remove. It'll take you about like 20 minutes max, overtiming it. So these tend to get seized because the way where it's at, you got water coming through, debris, a lot of vibration in the back. So what you can do to check this is an easy way to make sure that this is not bad. So you'll take off this cap. Connector, pull that to the side, make sure you don't see no burn marks, so this one's good. And then next we're gonna go ahead and take this off. We'll go ahead and pull this guy back. Man, the way how you're gonna take out this guy is that you'll see the two open end clips first, so you want to go on the opposite side. You just push down till these stick out a little bit, and then just wiggle it right out. Okay, so that one's unplugged. Then we're gonna go right over here to the canister. And there's a little connector right here that holds it in place. Push down on that. Okay, so now I got this loosened. That's what I mean by this little cap. Just push it down and then pull the canister right back out. Okay, so here's the part off the vehicle. I already purchased a new one. I already tested this prior before recording this. Here is the part number. I got this from AutoZone, PV753. It's gonna come different. So basically, I had to cut this, get a PCV hose. Couldn't find any fuel line hoses. If you can find a fuel line hose that is 19-30 seconds, that would be perfect. But in this scenario I can't, and you're gonna need two hose clamps. That's what I got. It's gonna be a little bit different, slightly different. I guess it's supposed to be a relocation, but I don't want to have to deal with that whole relocation stuff. So connector's the same. So you can see right there. That's the original one. I'm gonna show you how to test this guy off the vehicle so you know if it's good or bad. Okay, so we're here at the front of the vehicle. The battery, so this is how we're gonna test it. We need to apply 12 volts and see if we can hear a little clicking sound. So what I do is first, I always put the negative first. It doesn't matter which side because it's a solenoid, so either way it's gonna power it. So we're gonna connect right there. And then just make sure you be careful that you do not connect the positive with the negative. So since I'm gonna do the positive last because I don't want it shorting out anywhere. Okay, so I got the positive connected. So I'm gonna make a contact with this connector. So I'm touching it and it's not making anything. So I'm tapping on it. Nothing is happening. Okay. Set that aside. Okay, so here's the new one. I'm gonna test this one out so you get an idea of how it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bracket. So you're gonna have to take this one off. So pop that guy off. So you're not gonna need this. Just junk that. So same thing, same procedure, how you're going to want to test it. So negative first. So that little clicking, that little ding that it's making, so that's functioning. Okay, so I got the new part back installed. Like I said, same connector. Everything's gonna fit the same. Just the hose. So I got one clamp right there. And one clamp right there. When you're putting this guy on, I would put like a little grease or a little lube, so you make sure you do not break this canister. It's a little bit pricey, but just try to be as gentle as possible. So the 19-30 seconds hose worked out great for me. So thanks for watching.